Hello everyone. So in this tutorial we are going to check for the enumeration. Now before going to the practical, let me give you the glance of what is enumeration. Enumeration is also known as information gathering, but it's beyond information gathering because in enumeration not only you're gathering the information but an active connection has been made to the target with you. So that's the reason we are saying it has enumeration, though it's a kind of information gathering. So let's begin with the very first enumeration, that is http. So right now I would like to talk about the http enum. What is this http enum? So this script is basically giving me the information that how using this http I can get an, or you can say I can establish a connection with the target. So my target is the metasploit as usual, and its ip address is 192.168.84.130. so this will help me to make an active connection from the http port. So wait for a while till the scan is going. So over here you can see the output for http enum. You can see that for enumeration what all you can use. So for making the active connection with this target I can go for t kiwi ki, or you can go for the test page is available, the php information page is there, and it's stating that it's a possible information file from where you can get a lot of information. There is a document and it's stating that there potentially interesting directory with listing apache documents. Also the other two folder like icons and index, from this also you can get a information, and this might be your entry point to go in the particular target or penetrate in the network of this specific target by going to this respective http page. Now I would like to enter to the associated target it with some different way. So over here the 8180 port of http is also carrying some kind of page, but it's talking about the admin page. So this is all holding the admin folder. If you are able to see, this is all talking about the admin folder. So if you want to enter via the admin account, you can check for the specific available pages on the http. Now let's say I would like to check for any kind of enumeration on smb, or you can say on smb server or not. So for that I am specifying that I want to check for the smb enumeration, and I am talking about the domains only, and I am specifying the port of smb, that is 445, and let me give it the host address, that is 192.168.84.130. so in this you can see we got the output that port is open and the services are being used by microsoft ds, but it's not giving me any kind of information because I have specified the, I'm talking about domain, so there are no such information. So let's see whether there is any information about this specific port for smb enum only. So yeah, there are no such information present about the smb enum, so you cannot penetrate from the enumerate by smb. Okay, though it's open but you are not uh, available, or the port is restricting you to make a entry. So that's the reason you can go for the smb enum, or you can say this is the one and only way where you can gather information about the port. Like I have chosen the http smb enum. You can go for different enumerations using the different services like the some MySQL services being running on this port. Instead of MySQL, if you don't want to go with HTTP, MySQL, there can be NFS server, SMTP server. So you can use this different services for the enumeration as well. So I hope you got to know what is actual a enumeration and how you can gather information from this scripts using the enum techniques. So thank you so much.